This is like Ghost, like Flashback Mary is back. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaina. If you're new here, I'm your Russian American beauty and makeup addict. I love buy inexpensive stuff from AliExpress, Amazon, Walmart, drugstore, you name it, I'll pass the savings to you guys. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a sort of medium price item comparison to the other item, and we're talking about concealer comparison, another concealer I got on Ulta sale. So we're going to be comparing these two, the I'm Magic by Juvia'S and my regular concealer L'Oreal. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below. I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 11 AM Pacific time. And give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Let's get right into this video. So let's get right into this video. I've got this Juvia'S concealer that I already used under my eyes, of course. I'm not going to tell you which eye because we're going to discuss this later. So this was on sale on Ulta. It was $9.80 and original price was $14. That's what it is right now, which is still not bad. It's 0.34 ounces. And the one concealer I'm comparing this to is L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. And this one, you've seen this one. It's my favorite, one of them. This or CoverGirl, they're both good. So this runs for about 9 something on Amazon, so which is a good price. Around the same price as CoverGirl's, like 8 something, I think. So this one is a little more expensive for the same price, but it's Juvia'S and I've never tried anything by Juvia'S. So this comes in this packaging. I mean, you all have seen this. It's kind of pretty. I like this coral orange box. It's really cute. And the package, and it has the similar doe foot applicator as the L'Oreal. So this is Juvia'S. And let me open L'Oreal. I'm gonna look at them both. So now I got Juvia'S and L'Oreal this. Very similar. L'Oreal's a little longer, but the size is about the same. So they have a lot of skin tones. The only thing is it's difficult to pick your tone because my shade should have been medium and I picked out a light. And this is the last color in light category, and this is not light, this is like fair, so it was a little off, but other than that it worked out fine. So this is gonna be a short wear test, mostly to see the coverage and how it looks in a couple of hours. Does it crease, does it not crease? So let's get right into this application and you'll see which eyeballs got which concealer. So let's get right into this application. I'm kind of sort of excited because I never tried anything by Juvia'S, so let's zoom in into my dark under eyes and we'll see the horror. Yeah, so this is what I'm working with, and Juvia'S concealer, which I haven't even opened yet, it's gonna go to my right. And L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear is gonna go to my left. And the reason I'm comparing it to this one is just simply because this is my favorite concealer. And the regular retail price is more for this and less for this. So we'll see, put it to a test. So I'm gonna go with 2 sponges and they're both clean and damp. So the same kind of sponges, the Eco Tools, I like them this small. So let's go with my regular concealer first because there's nothing new here. I just put a little bit on my hand and I go with this tiny little sponge. I really like the sponges. Yeah, L'Oreal never fails. I really like it. So it's gonna be hard to convince me that Juvia'S is better. but I couldn't resist the sale. The sale price was real good. For $9.80, Juvia'S Place was good. So I have deep corner here, so I like to use this side of the sponge. And I'm only going to apply to under eyes. Sometimes I go down the middle of my nose, along my forehead, but oftentimes it creates cake. And I think it's a little excessive. Like, what kind of booty guru am I? I'm not using triangles everywhere, right? I'm a reasonable booty guru. Alright, so L'Oreal is looking great, as usual. And now, the moment of truth. First of all, is this the right color? Because, you know, when you pick online, you just don't know. And also, excuse me if I keep on going to the right. I'm using this new camera, I have no idea where to look, as usual. So this is number 21. I think it's like for light skin tones. So let's crack this open. My first time opening it. So let's look at the applicator. The same doe foot applicator. That's another reason I wanted to compare to L'Oreal, because this is the same kind of thing. So again, put it on top of my hand. It doesn't smell bad. It kind of smells a little chemically, but I sort of like it in a weird way. I'm weird. I like chemical smells. So let's go with the sponge. It feels a little more liquid right off the bat. L'Oreal felt a little thicker in consistency. Dang, look at this. Well, first off, this is the wrong color, as usual. I can never pick my color online, like ever. This is like Ghost, like Flashback Mary is back. The coverage is amazing, but the tone, like, way too light. I can never figure it out online. But we'll blend it. You know I'll never give this up. I don't give up, I keep blending. It's just too weird, too white. That's like for a real pale Russian, not for like a medium Russian. Well, yes, so here they are, almost blended. Well, the coverage seems very similar. It's very hard to compare because this one is the real good color for me and this one is way too light. It's like freakishly light. So let me set it with my favorite Maybelline Fit Me, and this is Classic Ivory 120. Just for my under eyes, I like to use this. For my full face it would be too light, but from under eyes it's good. It was a little tacky. It looked like it was more liquid in texture, but it went on very thick and coverage is there. Definitely there, it's nice. And L'Oreal is looking great as always. Alright, so let's assess. Juvia'S Blaze, L'Oreal. I mean, the looks look very similar. I've decided they look a little bit dry, but I'm going to spray myself at the end. I mean, the coverage is great. Kinda really love this because it's so bright, but it's way light. I would go at least 2 shades darker. But we'll set the whole face, and it's probably gonna take a few minutes, so I'll take my sweet time to see what's happening after I finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. So I finished my face with some mascara on the bottom blushes because I kind of messed them up. In case you guys are wondering what I'm wearing in my eyes, I'm wearing Forever Flawless Utopia. That's from a Friday video, and that's Makeup Revolution, and also Makeup Revolution gloss and a milani pencil. And for foundation I'm wearing L'Oreal Fresh Wear mixed with Makeup Revolution drops. I like to mix stuff. Well, let's get back to business. So here in my under eyes. So here's Eye Magic Concealer by Juvia'S, and here is L'Oreal Infallible. So from what I'm seeing, this one still looks a little lighter, although in a regular light it looks okay, but on camera it kind of looks lighter. It creased a little bit, but I mean, I have very dry skin and everything creases. I mean, everybody creases, a dry, oily. And you have to set it, of course. And when you set it, it starts to crease a little more. Well, it's an ongoing struggle for everyone. So from a distance, look okay. When you look close, I have a little separation here, just a little bit. It makes me wonder because it's a little creamier than L'Oreal. L'Oreal is more matte, and I feel like when it's matte, it does not move as much. So I'll go take a walk. Let me zoom out. So my husband and I are going to take a walk, and then in an hour and a half, I'm going to assess the situation. It's 6:15 now. Here's the receipts. And it's been like about 30 minutes since I finished applying everything. So 30 minutes since I applied the concealer. So we'll give it another hour or so, and when I come back, I'm going to assess both under eyes and we'll see what happens. And now I know what happened with the color. This concealer in the color 21. 21 is light skin with neutral and pink at the same time. I don't know how that's possible. Undertone. It's a beautiful undertone, but it's way too light. And 21 is actually the last shade for the light skin tone people. And then the next one is 20 for medium. I'm just looking at my iPad. So I guess I'm a medium in Juvia'S world, so that explains it. So let me go for a walk, and then I'll come back and we'll assess both eyeballs. I'll be back. Hey, so we just came back from the walk, and it is cold in LA, 51 degrees. The last few days we were raining, and on Thanksgiving Day it was like 40 something. So yeah, I'm freezing. So let's see, 7:34. If you can see, yeah. So it's been on for an hour and 45 minutes all total, the concealer. So it's a good time to take a look. It looks good. I mean, let me zoom in so you can see actually. It looks very similar. It's cracked a little bit here because it's very dry here. But they all do, you know, they all get a little dry at the end of the day. So I would say I still like the L'Oreal look a little better. And the Juvia'S concealer looks good, just a little too light. But I think for the price, if you buy this on sale, this is a good deal. But if it's a regular price, $14, and then you have L'Oreal, which is like a 9 something on Amazon, this is a better deal. It's the same size, although this one looks fatter. It looks bigger, but it's not. Weirdly, it's exactly the same size, 10 milliliters. So 10 milliliters, 10 milliliters, $14 regular price, 9 something regular price. So I would still go with the L'Oreal on this side against the Juvia'S, unless you get it on sale when I try it out. The only thing is, I think this one is slightly more moisturizing. It has some moisture properties, some stuff good for the skin, and this one just more matte, I would say. But when you set them, they'll look the same. And I would rather think that I think this one held up a little better, because I think Juvia'S is just a little bit broken up here, just a little bit. But other than that, it's just a little nitpicking. I think they're similar, so I would still go with my L'Oreal. Juvia'S is good, but for the price, buy this one. So that's my final thoughts. You zoom out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave the link to the concealers down below. Juvia'S Place goes on sale very often, so if you want something a little more moisturized and creamy, this is a great choice. So I just ordered the stick foundation from Juvia'S Place during Black Friday sale on Ulta, so this is my next video coming up. So thank you guys for watching, thank you for subscribing. I'm really happy to see the number grow, and I love to see the conversation down below. So leave a comment down below about these concealers. Let me know if you got Juvia'S Place, what do you think about it, and like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and read notification bell. I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 11 AM Pacific time. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!